Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specialized in cybersecurity and compliance. So for in the news this week, if you have a pair of Michael Jordan shoes around, you may want to look at getting them auctioned. Last week, Michael Jordan shoes were auctioned for $615,000, setting a new world record. A pair of his shoes, worn during a 1985 exhibition game, broke a world record when they sold for $615,000 at auction. Auction House Christie said the Nike Air Jordan 1 high sneakers, worn by the basketball legend during an exhibition game in Trento, Italy, were autographed by Jordan and described by the auctioneer as a one-of-a-kind Michael Jordan artifact. The shoes were billed as especially unique due to a shard of glass embedded in the sole of the left shoe as a result of Jordan shattering a glass backboard with a forceful slam dunk. The $615,000 final price for the shoes broke a world record set by another pair of players' shoes, which sold for $560,000 earlier in 2020. An American Eagle sends a drone to a watery grave in the brazen attack over Lake Michigan. Michigan state officials said a drone mapping shoreline erosion in the Upper Peninsula was sent to a watery grave in a brazen attack by a bald eagle. The Michigan Department of Environment, the Great Lakes and Energy, said the drone was being piloted by environmental quality analyst Hunter King along the Lake Michigan shore when it encountered the bird of prey near Escanaba. King said he was watching the video feed from the drone when it started spinning like a really bad roller coaster ride. The analyst said he looked up at the sky and noticed the drone was gone, and a bald eagle was flying away from the scene. A couple birdwatching nearby told King they had seen the eagle knock the unmanned aircraft out of the sky. Multiple searches of the area were unable to locate the fallen drone. The department joked the drone was sent to a watery grave in the brazen attack by this eagle. Stay safe and have a great day.